Here's a 2017 Nissan Versa Note. Economical doesn't have to be boring. Open up the hatch on this fuel-efficient, roomy and fun-to-drive Versa Note. It comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, leather and metal look steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Car and Driver explains Nissan has hollowed out the Note's interior to provide surprising space. Various Nissan charts show the Note as being best in class in a number of interior measurements, but the one that impresses most is rear seat space. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.